Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Winchester local and long-distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long-distance moving services for you. Our team will make sure you get a stress-free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. A local move still requires the help of a Kentucky moving company. Without the right help, you have to recruit friends and family, which is never fun. Professional movers will do a better job and save you a ton of time. 3 Movers will take over your local moving tasks. We can streamline the entire process to get you settled in sooner and with more energy. A move that might take you a week only takes us a day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.